thank you for coming to our channel. In this video, we'll be making a sweet red bean paste, an essential ingredient in Japanese desserts. We'll show you a simple way to make a rich and delicious sweet red bean paste without using any sugar. Please stay with us until the end.
First, prepare 100 grams of red beans in a bowl. Rinse the beans lightly with water to remove any surface dirt. Drain the beans using a strainer. Transfer the beans to a glass container and add 400 cubic centimeters of water. Cover the container and leave it in the refrigerator overnight. The beans have absorbed the water and have become much larger. Next, place the red beans in a pressure cooker and cook them under pressure for 20 minutes. For this sweet red bean paste recipe, we will use chopped dates as the sweetener.
Dates are the fruit of the date palm tree and have a very unique characteristic. They are fully ripened on the tree under the sun and naturally dried, making them a kind of natural dried fruit. They have a deep, rich sweetness and are packed with dietary fiber and potassium.
Dates are especially popular among women.
The red beans are now cooked and soft. Finally, add the chopped dates in 3 batches, mixing them in each time. Mixing in the dates in 3 parts ensures an even sweetness. The texture of the red bean paste can vary depending on how much you mash the beans. Feel free to adjust it to your preference. And as a finishing touch, adding a pinch of salt helps to enhance the sweetness. Sweet red bean paste is an irreplaceable component of traditional Japanese sweets. In this video, we used a pressure cooker and sweetened the red bean paste with dates. In our next video, we'll be introducing white dorayaki pancake sandwich made with seasonal chestnuts. Thank you for watching until the end.